In this video, we'll demonstrate how docuWeaver can generate a document from any Salesforce record and send it for signing in just a few steps. Ensure that a dataset and document template are already configured. In this example, we will generate a contract document from an opportunity record. Navigate to docuWeaver Document Templates and open the template that you want to send for signing. Go to the Signatories tab, click Add Signatories, provide the name and email. Add the signature placeholder and placement, and click Save. Navigate to Action Group and click New. Select the type as Record, then choose the connection and the object. Next, provide a label and name for the action group, and click Next. Here, click New Action button. Select the action type Send for signing. Configure the button type and variant. Click Next, select the eSignature adapter, and choose the connection. Next, we have two options, admin-defined and user-defined. In admin-defined, the admin decides the action in advance, either edit and send or send. So when the user clicks Action button, the system directly follows that predefined action without giving any choice. On the other hand, with user-defined, the control shifts to the user. They can choose whether to edit and send or directly send the document for signature based on their need. In template selection, choose Admin-defined to automatically select the template through the admin setup, or User-defined to allow users to select from predefined templates. Click Add Template Group, provide the label and name, and select Templates. Select the field to attach the document to the record, provide the folder path, and configure conditions if required. You can configure multiple template groups, and each template group contains document templates. Templates from a group will be available for users to send for signing when the added conditions match. You can also set one group as the default group. If none of the group conditions match, templates from the default group will automatically be available to send for signing. You can also add additional signatories, then click Save. Now, let's add this action to the docuWeaver component on the Lightning page. Now, open any opportunity record. Click the Send for Signing action. docuWeaver will automatically generate the document, sends it for signature, and stores the signed document on the Salesforce record. With docuWeaver, teams can generate documents and send them for eSignature directly from Salesforce in just a few clicks.